Over 500 houses and business owners in Osogbo, the Osun State capital, may be displaced following a High Court decision that withdrew a land from the Nigerian army and returned it to the owners in the community. Justice A.O. Ayola of the Osun State High Court sitting in Ile-Ife also ordered the Nigerian army to pay 200 million naira compensation as damages for the destruction done to the land. Rafiu Hamid reports.
This piece of land, measuring 3,646 acres between Kelebe and Omu Street in Osogbo, was acquired by the Nigerian Army in 1976 for the purpose of military base. But the military base was never sighted on the land since then. A large portion of the land has since been occupied by private individuals who allegedly bought the land from the Nigerian Army for residential and business purposes. This prompted the families that owned the land to approach the courts to reclaim their land from the Nigerian Army. On the 10th of January 2023, an Osun State High Court that sat in Ife ordered the Nigerian Army to give up the possession of the pieces of land. 90 days after the judgment, the Nigerian Army failed to appeal the judgment, and the families that own the lands are here with warrant of possession.
For today, the
court give us the judgment that we are the owner of the land. So after that judgment, we wait for the normal time we're supposed to wait for, and the date is already by April 10. So today we are here to do the necessary things so that the people on the land will know that the land is we are the owner of the land, not the army or whatever the people saying they are the owner.
But those who are at the center of the storm are the house and shop owners that bought the land from the Nigerian Army and had been there for many years. The owners, who are more than 500, are confused on what next to do now that the landowners have told them to remove their houses and shops.
You know, we don't know the deal between both of them, the landowners and Nigerian Army. You know, it's not clear to any of us, so we couldn't say anything as regards that.
Some of them are ready to negotiate with the landowners so as to retain their property and businesses on the said lands.
Àwa ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ ní Ọlọ́run ní tèbi pa wọ́n ibi tá a tún rí ilẹ̀ sí àyè sí láti fi máa ṣe one of two things iṣẹ́ ní bíbá yìí tá a bá wo inú ìgboro ó ti kún kò síbi tá a ti lè ráyè dúró ṣiṣẹ́ bíbá yìí náà la tún lè tún fì sí tá a tó fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ àtijọ́ àti mú wa.
If we settle, no problem. We don't want to demolish any house or anybody's property, but they're supposed to cooperate with us, because about 50 years ago, the soldiers have been claimed they are the owner. So, but when we see that they are not the owner, and the judgment claim that we are the owner, so anybody who cooperates with us, we cooperate with him. But if there is somebody didn't cooperate with us, we do legal action.
A legal practitioner, Soji Oyitayo, says the Nigerian Army can no longer appeal the judgment.
Since it has been diverted to another purpose, I think that was the reason why the judgment went against the Nigerian Army. And the Nigerian Army has 3 months or 90 days within which to appeal the said judgment. Up to today, the Nigerian Army has not appealed against the judgment. So the person who has won is entitled to reap the benefit of his judgment. I think that's the reason why they went back to apply for warrant of possession, which was granted them to possess the entire land.
The owners also want government to intervene in the matter to avoid crisis between the Nigerian Army and the landowners. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.